Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm going to explain how to create gradient palette in just 10 seconds. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and don't miss the upcoming tutorials. Thanks. Make two square and arrange into certain distance. Make a copy of this. Same like, do 3 more copies. Now apply color to this. Here I'm applying different color to each square. Specify the color to all squares per your requirements. Apply color to opposite side also. Any color range you can create by doing this method. Making changes to this color to get range between dark to light. That's it. Select 2 colors and go to Object, Blend, and select Make. Wow! You can get range of colors between red to yellow like this. If you are not getting what you have seen, then go to Object, Blend, select Blend Options. Here you can adjust your range. For an example, if I'm changing steps from 8 to 25, preview will be like this, so adjust as per wish. Awesome, right? The same way you can get any range between 2 colors. Also, you can create a range between 3 colors. Just try and leave your comments. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe, it's absolutely free. Leave your feedback in the comment box. Thanks.